Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, there's two different options for that method, methods. So first one is to click on the Wi-Fi sign, the battery sign and volume in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you should find the Bluetooth. You can click on this sign to turn it on or off. When it's on, it's blue. When it's off, it's white. Then we can move on to the start, and that's the second method. So open the settings. Right here, locate the Bluetooth and other devices. Now you can turn it on or off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.